today is the music release, which I got to know last night on my laptop that it has leaked. It hadn't leaked. I think that was the release, and today I think most of the music is in the market. मुझे ऐसा लगने लगा है कि मैं इस फिल्म के प्रचार में अकेला ही आके प्रेजेंटेशन करता रहता हूँ बार-बार. But this is the CD, जब तक है जान. So this is out in the markets today, and what we are doing here today is to introduce to everyone, hopefully, a song which is extremely soulful. The film is like that. जो हमारी पूरी फिल्म है बड़ी soulful सी है. यश जी के स्टाइल में जो एक खूबसूरती उनके प्यार की है, उनके हर फिल्म की जो एक पेस होती है, एक उसमें एक अपना किस्म का दर्द होता है, ठहराव होता है. लेकिन कोशिश ये की गई है कि इस पूरी फिल्म में मैं क्यों ये लेक्चर दे रहा हूँ, क्योंकि जो गाना है वो इसी बात को दर्शाएगा कि जैसी फिल्म का पूरा फील है कि द फिल्म इज़ अबाउट the intensity of love, but made in a very contemporary style. And I think the contemporary part is more Katrina Kaif and Anushka Sharma than me. And that kind of brings a little bit of coolness and hipness to the film. But essentially, it's Mr. Yash Chopra film. As you know, there are 5 or 6 songs. There's Challa, which has already come out. There is Saas. There is Ishq Shava, which I think will be the next one, if I'm not mistaken. There is GRA. And there is a slow song called Heer, and then of course the title track Jab Tak Hai Jaan. So it's all in the album there, and like I said, Rahman Saab, Gulzar Saab, Yash Ji, I think it's a mix of contemporary, modern method of showing love, while the soul still belongs to the era that Yash Ji belongs to. So it's a great mix. I hope people enjoy it. It'll take a little bit of time. The song is, as you might have heard, some of you, because the music is out, called Saas, which means the breath of love is how I see it. और क्योंकि लड़की की आवाज़ में है तो मुझ पर ज़्यादा पिक्चराइज नहीं किया गया. I insisted also एक दो बार, but यश जी का प्यार मेरे एक हद तक ही रहता है, उसके बाद नहीं करते. So the song is on Katrina Kaif, and because she's away shooting Dhoom 3, so she is going to join us from Chicago on Skype. तेरी आँखों की नमकीन गुस्ताखियाँ. Now you know it's me.
Yes, I know it's you. Do you want to share? Do you want to share the story of that dubbing as well?
No, I just want you to know it's me, and you don't mistake. I love you, Katrina. Like, well, okay. All right. So you know, when we're doing the song, it was really cold, extremely cold, and as it always happens, the girls do wear smaller dresses in songs than boys do. And I think the two of the bravest people in those nights, which was I think -2, -3, maybe Chicago is colder, so it was really cold.
And it's called a river.
It's a river, yeah. It was a river. And हिंदी में बता क्या बोलते हैं? नदी किनारे हमने वो गाना किया था. और
that's original. Thanks.
Okay, and the two people who were the bravest there, actually, I thought was Mr. Yash Chopra himself at 3 in the morning, -3, -4, and Katrina, you know, with a lot of fans, and we all were sympathizing, but she continued, and I think it's one of the nicest dance pieces I've seen of any actor.
It's a song which kind of it gets to your heart. It's I think sometimes I find that with Rahman Saab music, his music, sometimes you have to hear it more often than, you know, it kind of has a very long life. So that's what I feel with this song. It's a song that now when I hear it, it's so many emotions to it, and it's an amazing song. And I think that the picturization of it as well was, I was really happy when they told us the situations and, you know, explained how the song is going to be. It's not exactly what I first thought Yash Ji was going to do with a romantic song, which is I think why it was so exciting to kind of see him do something new like this. Everyone has so much expectations from the film, and even as an actress doing a Yash Chopra romantic song, you know, you have so many expectations and you wonder what it's going to be like. So I think the whole style and the vibe of it was really new, and I hope people like it.
So this one, I haven't done a romance for a long time of this caliber. You know, every film is romantic, but this one was after 8 years. I truly believe if you have to do a romantic film, you have to do it only with SG. So I would not do a romantic film with anyone else while he would like me to be a part of his film. So yeah, so this is nice. It's, whatever the director wants me to play and whatever I'm not playing too often in that year. You know, it's as simple as that.